In this brand new InShot tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize video using the canvas options. Tap Video, tap New, and choose the video clip that you want to work with. Select your clip or clips and then tap on the check mark. Scroll ahead to where you want the video to start. Select the clip, scroll over, tap the split icon, select the clip at the beginning, and then tap on Delete. To change the aspect ratio, tap on Canvas, InShot will select the proper aspect ratio based on the clip, but let's take a look at some of the others. Go ahead and select an aspect ratio by tapping on it. Tap on Zoom and you can zoom the video in or out. You can use this slider. You can use the presets at the bottom. You can place the video on the left or the right hand side by tapping either of those. Tap full screen or fill. It will take the video and fill the entire preview area. Or you could tap fit to make it fit the screen. To change the aspect ratio, tap on ratio one more time and choose the ratio that you want. I'm going to make it 16:9 since this is a YouTube tutorial. Add your own photo as a background to fill in the unused space, or you can set a blur level. If you want to use your own photo, just tap the photo icon and select the photo that you want to use. This will place the photo in the background, remove the blur. Want to place the video here? You can just long press hold and drag it over to where you want it. This background photo was created using ChatGPT. Choose from one of these colors. You can choose a gradient, something like that, or one of the many backgrounds that InShot provides. And then tap on the check mark. You can add a frame to make it look like an actual iPhone. Tap on PIP. Make sure photo is selected and go ahead and tap on this image here. Tap autofill to make it fill the entire screen. Tap on the end of the picture-in-picture clip and tap video end. Select the picture-in-picture clip and then select the crop icon, this icon here. Just crop off the left edge. Tap on the check mark. Tap on cutout. Tap on chroma key Select the green color. Tap the check mark a couple of times to get back to the picture-in-picture timeline. Select your picture-in-picture clip and move it over so that it matches up with the screen recording like that. And then tap on the check mark and you're back on the main timeline. Tap picture in picture one more time. Select your clip and make sure that you tap on the end and say video beginning. You can easily change the background if you want to. To do that, tap on canvas, select background, and then tap the trash can with the picture in it. Go ahead and tap on photo if you want to select another photo. Tap on the check mark, and the frame is actually still there. Tap on picture in picture, and move the frame into position. Over top of your screen recording. Make sure that video beginning is selected. Scrub through to the end. As I quickly scrub through, you can see that everything is visible and nothing's cut off. Tap the end one more time and make sure video end is selected.